On December 7th, the Medicare Annual Election Period, the AEP, ends. Thank God. Your phone will stop ringing off the hook, right? Well, what happens during this time period from October to December 7th when you changed your drug plan or you changed your Medicare Advantage plan? And then in January, you go to the doctor and the doctor's like, yeah, we don't take your insurance anymore. Or the drug company says, yeah, we don't cover that drug anymore. They can do that. That can happen. Typically doesn't happen right in January, but it's happened before. Maybe it's February, March down the road. So you have something called the OEP, and that's where you can make one change from January to March of your Medicare Advantage plan. So if you bought a drug plan and that does not cover your drugs, you can't get a different drug plan during the OEP. You are what we call locked in for a calendar year. Now you can ask your insurance company for an exception. You can try to go through that process to appeal to get that drug, but if they say no, we're not going to cover it because it's too expensive, and no, the government doesn't make us cover it or a similar drug, you're going to have to pay for that drug out of pocket because you can't change during this period from January through March. But if you have a Medicare Advantage plan, you can change one time from January through March. So as we're ending the AEP, keep in mind that maybe you didn't have time to change. Maybe things were going on in your life and you didn't have time to update your plan for 2025. You wanted to, but life got in the way. You still can make one change from January to the end of March. So if you need our help, give us a call at the Medicare Family. We're licensed in all 50 states. Be happy to help you review your plan and other options. Thanks.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.